Hello world and welcome back into Kara's Closet. Week to week I'm bringing you all of my comfortable and cute looks. Today's episode is going to be all about denim. That's right, to all my denim girlies, I got you. I have quite a few denim in my closet, but today I'm going to show you about 2 or 3 of my go-to denim outfits. I always like to pair my denim up with a red lip. It's just something about it that makes it pop. And I also like to pair my denim up with a nude shoe. It could be my nude heels that I have on now. It could also be my caramel knee boots that you guys have seen, or my wheat Tims. Just depends on how I'm feeling or what I got on. So today's look, I started off with a blue jean vest. It has 2 pockets and a little fray at the bottom. It's not too tight, it's giving. But on those days where I'm not feeling like I want to show everything, this is giving. It gives a lot of coverage. And then I paired this with my skinny jeans from Fashion Nova. Yes, and then also, once again, I have on my nude chunky heel. Gotta have on my nude heel because I like to be what? Comfortable and cute and comfy. So get into this look. It's simple, it's comfortable, doesn't cost a lot. All you gotta do is find you a blue jean vest and some blue jean skinny jeans. Today I'm showing off the tats a little bit. Tell me what you think about this one. You can wear this anywhere to go grab some coffee. You can wear it to the grocery store, wear it to the movies. It's simple. Depending on where you work, this can be a work look. And guess what? It could be a summer look. You could throw on a shirt underneath, and it can also be a fall look or even a spring look. It's versatile. So go get you a blue jean vest. And some Fashion Nova skinny jeans and tell them Cara sent you. Fit check, fit check, fit check. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another denim look. Now I know a one piece or a jumpsuit is not the most convenient, especially when you're out and about and you gotta go to the restroom. Trust me, I get it. But for Cara, it's not always about convenience. It's about being cute and comfortable. And when I'm thinking about wanting to be cute and comfy, one of my denim go-tos is always going to be this denim jumpsuit. So once again, it has short sleeves like the other denim look, but you can always throw on a shirt up under it if you want. It's just a little chilly outside. But I absolutely love this jumpsuit. I got it from New York & Company about 5 or 6 years ago, and it's still giving. Still giving. It's medium wash, which is I like, and it has a lot of good stretch to it because I'm sure my weight has fluctuated up and down 5 or 6 years ago. So I'm glad that I'm able to still get into it and it still looks good. It shows off all my curves. I still have my nude chunky wedges on with it. And it's a look. It's a look. What is it giving? Are you scared of a one piece? Don't be, okay? Cara said go get your one piece denim jumpsuit. Okay, type it in right now. One piece denim jumpsuit. Go get it, try it on, take a picture in it, send it to me. The goal of this channel is to inspire you. Inspire you to step outside your comfort zone, show you what I'm rocking inside my closet. What do you think? What would you wear this look to? I say it's a good look for a picnic, maybe family reunion in the summertime. Want to be comfortable? You can throw it on with some flats, some sandals, any type of shoe. Actually, maybe even a gym shoe, depending on how you want to rock it. All right, but I like to have on my nude heel. So tell me what you think of this look. It also has some belt loops in it. If you wanted to throw on a belt with it, it could be a colored belt, maybe a red belt to match my red lip. I don't know. Fit check, fit check, fit check. Here's my next denim look. I gotta admit, it's not as flattering on the camera as it is in person. The denim is a light wash. So I don't know if you like light wash. For me, it's something different. Something different I tried out over the summer because I'm used to my darker denim or my medium wash. But I decided to go light this summer. I was feeling, you know, how everybody was doing the cowgirl looks and all of that kind of stuff. I was like, let me spruce it up a little bit. So I went light, got the little flare shoulder, okay? And I threw it on with a pair of Moda jeans. If you watch my other video, you know I swear by Moda. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and give y'all glimpse of these jeans. These jeans are everything, y'all. Absolutely love me some Moda jeans. They fit so perfect. So I wanted to go with the light wash top. Like I said, it might not be as camera flattering, but in person, it's giving. The look is giving. Okay, I tied it up because I wanted to give it a little cowboy, like I said, little look. You know, I like to be a little sassy. It's still comfortable and it's still cute. If you're a light wash girly, let me know in the comments below. All right, or let me know what other way I could have styled this. Maybe a different top. Not sure. Sometimes I like to just go with a basic white top with these jeans. Let me know what you would throw together. All right. Fit check, fit check, fit check. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another denim look. Back with another denim one piece. So I paired this one piece up with a chain belt just to dress it up a little. And I absolutely love this one piece. It gives the sweetheart neck, which is I really do like. And it shows all my curves. Alright? Ladies, don't be scared of a one piece. Once again, go get you a one piece. I know it's not as convenient, but it can be comfortable, especially the way you dress it up. So when I wear this look out, I tend to put a little more around the neck, maybe a nice gold necklace, some gold bangles, and I go with some gold heels, maybe a gold heel flat, maybe a gold flat, or gold heels when I wear this look out. Tell me what you think.
Drop that.
You can drop this look off the shoulder. Gives it a whole new look. So where would you wear this look to? Comment below and let me know how you would style this look. Fit check, fit check, fit check.